Hi everybody, John Henderson Pierre, the Beer Ramble, back again. Another Beer Ramble edition today. We're looking at Terrapin Sound Pils Czech, or I say Sound Pils Czech, or Sound Czech Pils. A Czech style Pilsner. It is from Terrapin Brewing Company in Athens, Georgia. 5.2% ABV. I bought this a couple of days ago with me and another friend of mine. So I bought this at a friend of a friend's store. It was a friend of a friend's store. I don't know, but we'll see, right? Sorry, folks. I had to do something right there. It's beer what it looks like right here. A little foamy up on the top. Not much. A little cloudy, as you can see. It looks like an orangeade. Very murky right there. So, turn it up like music to your ears. Terrapin Sound Czech Pilsner is to connect the flavor. Brewed with 100% Pilsner malt with the exceptional crispness and crispness, and accompanied by Czech and German hops for noble superiority. This traditional lager will make you stand up for the encore performance. So, as you see, look at the can right here, how it looks. The can, see the performer. Yes, rock and roll and roll and rock and roll. So, different style hops. I'm definitely getting those right now. Very brewing. This beer kind of reminds me similar of maybe the Lagunitas Czech style. The scent of it. Maybe this is probably a bit more hoppier than that. Yeah. Taste. But this has a bit more sweetness to it. The Czechs, Lagunitas Czech style Pils was a little more follow more of the European German style in terms of a Pilsner. This beer would probably go perfect this summertime, during the summer months. I feel more so. A little bit of a bitter aftertaste going, and not bitter in a good way, not a negative way. .2% ain't bad. I would say maybe drink 2 of these, and I would say don't go anymore. Literally, don't go anymore. So, of course, Terrapin, based in Athens, Georgia, as I mentioned. The High Five IPA and their recreational ale are probably their 2 most popular brands. I know they have other brands that they're other styles that are more popular, but those are the 2 that I pretty much know of and frequently get from time to time from that brewery. They have some interesting packaging, how they package it, and we start to see that now. It's like this looks like a compact thing, like you're like grabbing, like a maybe like a small little jar of maybe tuna fish, the way they package their beers nowadays. And I think you've seen this with, not only with Terrapin, you also seen this with Sam Adams with their Sam 76 style beer, which I'm not really too keen on, and a few others. Also the same with that does that style. I think also Lagunitas has a style similar to that. Also Straight to Ale as well, based here in Alabama, up in Huntsville. You know, the packaging is like these real small, like 3 cans inside of a package, and you grab them and go. You know, a little bit small. Interesting how they do it nowadays, but kind of how it goes now. But a lot of the breweries now you're seeing, so some of these craft breweries are really starting to do more canning in some of their beers, because I guess they're sort of not being exposed to light and not being exposed to the look of the not having the beer have that skunk taste to it. So I mean, this isn't bad. I mean, I'm not really. I mean, it's okay for a Czech style Pilsner, but I'd rather have the Lagunitas one. Probably a little more bolder flavoring. Yeah, this beer is actually fresh, but I don't know, maybe there's some sense of some, maybe a bit of a tangerine, orange taste of flavor I'm getting from this, but, it's all right. Nothing to say cry home about, but good enough. Hey, and that's kind of how I look at it. But, so the price point of a lot of these beers, I think this beer for a 6-pack of this was going for $9.99. I saw this at Rouse's. I got a can of the the other place I got a can with not, it was, $1.25, but good enough. So that's kind of my view of it. But anyway, the Czech style pills, good enough, but nothing really to say to cry home about. So I'm going to give this score about, I'm going to give this, I'll be fair, I'll give this a B- for the style. That's all right. It's okay. So that'd be an 7.9, 8.0, 8.1. B, 7.9 B-, right there. So that's my view of it. Probably won't get this again. I'm glad I tried it, but not much to really compare. Not much to really brag about, but that's my view of it. So, B- for the Osprey. John Anderson, Pierre, the Beer Ramble. Keep on watching as always. Cheers. Osprey. Terrapin. Sound check. Pills. I love you. Pills. Maybe.